This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Open the bonnet by pulling the lever in the passenger's footwell and releasing the underbonnet catch. Use the prop to support the bonnet. Remove the upper engine cover. Undo these 3 retaining screws. Release this retaining clip. Withdraw the filter cover and lift and remove the air filter element from the lower housing. Clean out the filter housing with a vacuum cleaner and a brush. Locate the new element in the housing, making sure that the sealing lip is correctly engaged around the edge of the housing. Refit the filter cover, ensuring the rear edge of the cover engages correctly with the rear of the filter housing. Tighten the securing screws. Secure the retaining clip on the side of the filter housing. Refit the engine cover.